Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to access your Plex watchlist on your mobile device. If you are using Plex to manage your media library, you may want to view or manage your watchlist. So in that case, first of all, open your Plex app on your smartphone and make sure to log into your account. After you're signed into your account on Plex, go ahead and tap on the bookmark kind of an icon at the top right corner and you will be able to see your watch list. All of the movies and TV shows that you've added to the watch list will be displayed over here. To view a specific item, tap on it and the item's detail page will open. If you want to remove the specific movie or TV show from the watch list, you can simply find the Remove from Watchlist button right after you open up the info section of the TV show or movie. Simply tap on Remove from Watchlist and the specific content will be removed from your watchlist. So that's how it's super easily done. You can easily find your watchlist and customize your watchlist with this process. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.